Hi, I'm Jen Fidel, the Pack Mom, here to make your life as a pet parent a bit easier. Today, I'm talking about the best dog recipe for skunk odor that I have found on the market today. And all the credit can be given to Paul Krebaum, who back in 1993 created this. So if you are a chemistry enthusiast or a science lover, if you loved your 12th grade chemistry class, you're gonna love this project. So here's what you need to eliminate that skunk odor. 1 quart of fresh 3% hydrogen peroxide. That is your base ingredient. Next, you're going to add in 1/4 cup of baking soda. Here's where it gets a little bit exciting. If you can hear that, baking soda and hydrogen peroxide fizz a little bit. And then you're going to add a little bit of dish detergent. Just a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons. All right, so you let that settle, mix it together. You're going to want to wear a pair of latex gloves, old clothes, and take your dog outside to do this, or at least in a really well-ventilated room, because between the skunk odor smell and the hydrogen peroxide baking soda smell, you're not going to want to be indoors. So I'm going to get changed, and I'll meet you outside. Okay, so we're outside, we have our old clothes on. Abe even has an old faded collar and old faded leash. So you don't have to totally saturate your dog to start this process. Just get the parts that are affected. Wet, use a sponge or a cloth and begin to douse those areas that are skunked. So the deal with skunk spray is that it's loaded with sulfur and it's super oily. So the faster you can get your dog cleaned after he's been sprayed, the better. Because once it starts to dry on their fur, the harder it is to get off. So you're going to want to do this application, rinse your dog thoroughly, and you're going to have to do this multiple times, I promise you. You don't have to dry your dog in between applications, but you will have to repeat as necessary until you don't smell the skunk odor anymore. So Abe is one happy guy. He's smelling better, getting clean, and we appreciate you watching. I'm Jen Fidel, the Pack Mom, and today we're talking about dog recipe for skunk odor.